Christmas friends, and if you still have couponing on the brain or clearance shopping, this is the video for you. So we are at Walmart, and all this fun will start on Monday, December the 26th. That's when you're going to have to start the car. So we're talking about these gorgeous gift sets at 50% off, and everybody and their mother goes after them right on the 26th. Why are they so advantageous? Well, if you are a couponer, clearance shopper, they have a lot of very valuable coupons. A lot of them expire a year out. Some of them are up to 3 months, but it's high value coupons that we can put into deals found right inside of these gift boxes. Now, Walmart either has gone 25 to 50% off already on certain items such as food and lights, but these gift sets typically on the day after Christmas hit 50% off. So let's not forget, we're working on the 26th when these gift boxes go 50% off. So if you open up Walmart Plus or the regular app and scan some of these barcodes, that's when you'll see the price change on the 26th. You'll typically find these gift sets merchandised at the front of the store, like they'll put a whole bunch because they want to get rid of them, or you'll find them on end caps throughout the store. Personally, I would use a $25 IBOTTA gift card for a lot of them that are $5. Grab 5 of them and call this like a really cool deal. And it's the valuable coupons that are found inside of these boxes that make them worth it. Guys, the coupons that are inside are well worth it. So Monday the 26th, start the car. Now, as I was talking about merchandise, it's like displays that they have in the center of the store near the Christmas gifts. You know, a lot of people buy these, as a Christmas add-on to a gift. They might be on end caps, which is right here. It's at the end of an aisle merchandise, so you'll just pick it up and say, oh, for $14.98, great Christmas gift. Also, candle aisle, also merchandised on an end cap. A lot of the Dr. Teal's and the different lotions and potions and the really nice stuff. Right near shampoo, they have this one merchandise for Betsy Johnson. It's a bunch of makeup sponges. Also will be part of this, probably. About these gift sets, the 26th, which is Monday, is the day to get out to Walmart. So this first one, we're just going to look at these different gift sets. So this is $9.99, so it'll be $4.99 starting on Monday, and it is a Dove body wash and a body polish. I'm not sure if there's any coupons in this box or not. I didn't really inspect it too closely. Here's the UPC. Typically in the past, I would say go to BrickSeek and type all this in. But you know what, guys? I'm going to say that I tried to do that, and a lot of these gift sets say they're not programmed in the site. And also with BrickSeek, if you just type in Dove gift set, it's giving you a lot of information from last year. So a lot of this stuff is looking like 90% off, and you're like, oh, $1, just run to the store. Not the case. It would be impossible to find that because that's last year's merchandise. Keeping it 100 and honest, I would just go to the store and do your own thing starting on Monday the 26th. For whatever reason, tons of problems I'm specifically having with the BrickSeek site. Absolutely beautiful Dr. Teal's, a whole bunch of different salt. I mean, you can keep this for a year or gift it to somebody anytime. $4.99, what a great price point. You can open up your Walmart app and scan to see if these are in stock, or if you have Walmart Plus, you're probably going to get a lot more information than I have. But I'm going to show you guys the UPCs. But $4.99, this is a steal. Unfortunately, no coupons with Dr. Teal's, but a steal. Now we have this really cute little razor kit by Schick. And see how it says $16 value? I think there are some coupons inside of this, but a really nice, that Hydro Silk razor is really nice. $4.99, a very good stock up price point. And here is the UPC for this guy. Definitely open up the Walmart app because that's how he's getting a lot of these prices. Now this one, if you find it, I would buy it. $4.99 for this Caress. It's like a bar of soap and 2 body washes. This is also one of my favorite scents of all time by Caress. I love this exfoliant body wash. It's a really nice scrub. Inside of that beautiful gift set, there were these $2 coupons. They're valid till March, and lots of times, December, January, a lot of the pharmacies will start clearing out various scents that they might discontinue or whatever. And this specific coupon, like, you can get your body wash really cheap at one of the pharmacies. So totally worth it. And here is the UPC if you wish to scan it in the Walmart app. Now we have this cute little duo by Axe, which include a brick deodorant or like a solid deodorant, and then the spray for $4.99. The original price just under $10. And here is the UPC for this guy. And deodorant does have an expiry date, so definitely check the boxes to make sure you're not buying something really expired. And Harry's and Dollar Shave Club, I think they're about the same price at 50% off for $7.49. Very good deal. And here is the UPC. Definitely, again, as suggested, open up your Walmart app to see the price at your store on the 26th. And we have the Aveeno for $4.99, 50% off starting on Monday. Do love that one. And here is the UPC for this guy. And this is one item I do love to stock up. It just makes any sort of basket, or if you're giving something away, look extra fancy. And then a meat and potatoes item, the Olay by P&G, 50% off. This will be $4.99. And here is the UPC. I do know that there were IBOTTA rebates for that, but of course IBOTTA will pull them by the 26th, or like the day of Christmas, it'll be gone, because this stuff will start clearing out and they're not going to want to give this stuff away for free. And there are some coupons that were found right at the top of the box, a 4 off of 2 for the premium, and then a 4 off of 2 for the deodorants. So very, very nice coupons that you can use right up till the middle of September. So I do love those, and I'm definitely going to use them sometime soon over at Walgreens. Beauty and Planet for $7.44. That's 50% off. A shampoo and conditioner mix. You know what might be a really smart idea, guys, is to buy a Sterilite tote and then just to store all this stuff until next Christmas, or if you wanted to gift them. Like this little shampoo set. How adorable is that? And then we have the Dove that include a dry shampoo and then a shampoo and conditioner. Again, upwards of 15 down to $7.44 at 50% off. And here is the UPC for that. The next two items are the Garnier. One is like a styler kit that include a whole bunch of different, like, sprays and stuff to anti-frizz, that sort of stuff. $4.94. And here is the UPC. It is blurry, but I was still able to get it to scan my new phone. I'm having some issues. And then we have the regular shampoo and conditioner for $4.94. These are the larger bottles too of the Garnier Fructis. Just to note that this was a heavy box. I almost broke my arm lifting it up at the store. But yeah, 50% off. If I could find some of those, I'm going to grab them as well. And our Old Faithful for $4.99. Now this guy, IBOTTA rebates for the longest time, so it might be harder to find them in store because people have been buying them like crazy. But still a very good price point. And this is also one of those items, there are coupons found at the top. So definitely we'll be able to put these to good use. And they're valid till next December. So they have a good long date on them. So definitely check for these before you put them in storage or gift them. And then we have the Schick. It's some disposable razors, a Cremo body bar, and some shaving cream for $4.99. I mean, Father's Day, that could even be a gift. It's just a great little thing. So guys, we're going to know everything on Monday the 26th, but just to give you some visuals of what will be up for grabs at 50% off. And this stuff moves very, very quickly. Like everybody and their grandmother, when these gift sets are 50% off, they want them. But the secret is those coupons. If you can find a gift set with coupons, by all means, buy it. As always, thanks for watching. We'll catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.